Agricultural sector. Feed pallet product line. Technological advance have brought about drastic change in farming and animal husbandry, resulting in tremendous increase in production capacity. The most common use of computers has been in replacing human efforts and intervention in traditional farming machinery and other equipment. In addition, even the supports of function for farming such as delivery of machinery, fertilizer, and product of raw product have been successfully automated. But all these are just the labor-saving, basic uses that have been around even before the turn of century. If computers have changed the ways of farming then, the internet has only doubled that pace of change. Application of computing technologies in agriculture. In today's times, agriculture is not just about crop production or livestock farming and associating activities. The challenges brought forth by ecological factors affecting the environment need to be a major consideration for any kind of farming activities. Farmland assessment. Geographic Geographic information system are being used for developing ranking systems that evaluate lands and provide a sites assessments to aid what is now known as a precisions of agriculture. This high-tech interactive system provides the information based on the variety of factors such as soil condition, drainage and slope condition, soil and nutrients status, etc. Prior to the use of this system, farmers were often in the dark about soil output and unpredictable weather conditions affecting crop quality and profitability. Precision agriculture provides farmers with control by predicting vital information including fertilizing application and problem with adrenable insects and weeds. Autonomous farm equipment and tractors. Automated farmers' equipment need less to use, say, scores over human controlled equipment in terms of consistency and reliability. In gain and machine functions such as transmission and hydraulic power output are controlled using microchip built into the equipment. Guidance technology is already being widely used in a self-propelled equipment to aid crop seeding and fertilizer application. Automated feeding system, computerized milk collection, and milk machines have been around since the late 20th centuries, resulting in better economy yield for the dairy industry as well as the livestock product. Automated tractor are probably not far away. Software. With regard to the livestock farming, ready-made computer applications are available to track animals, storing evaluation information such as age, health records, milk production, offspring productivity, and reproductivity cycle status. Is often called hard recordingly. Similarly, most farm accounting softwares and others computers application in agricultural provide services for record keeping, simulating of prediction-based models using the data that review the productivity estimation. Internet forums, social networks, and online knowledge bases. Any business in the world that you can think of has benefited from the advent and the global reach of the internet and related communication technology, mobile computing, e-commerce, etc. E-agriculture, an emerging field of agricultural practices. E-agriculture focus on the coming up with innovative ways and the best practice to use the existing information and communication technologies for sustainable agricultural development and food safety standards, particularly in the rural areas. E-agriculture encompasses other related technological fields such as agricultural informatics, agricultural development, and business. It aims to deploy all available technologies, computers, mobile computing, satellite systems, smart cards, for the empowerment of the farmers and strengthen of the partnership across the food value chain. Engineering sector, CAD. CAD or computer aided design is a process of designing new product using computer software. Such software helps to design and engineers takes their idea for the concept states to the model in a 3D environment. CD software such as the From SolidWorks features a user-friendly interface to allow engineers to bring their ideas to life more quickly. And when you're engineering a new product, being fast to market is the key to staying competitive. Example of CAD. CFD. Typically, when engineers are developing such as an airplanes and automobiles, they put the product through wind tunnel testing to make sure the drag is minimized. Drag slow the speed of such as vehicle, which can lead to reduction in fuel economy. CFD or computational fluid dynamic software has allowed the engineer to do such a testing virtuality using a computer. They can take their CAD design and put them to wind tunnel testing in 3D. This saves time and they can immediately calculate such as effects without having to physical test them. File standing. An important stage in product development and prototype. Engineers create one-off models of their parts to test for forms, fit, and function. Some companies have prototyping machine in-house, while others outsource for these test parts. Computers have made to outsources for prototype parts much easier. Prototype service providers such as QuickPart often online codes for such services. Furthermore, computers also make it easier to manage this information. Engineer can upload their CAD files to website and select what materials and technologies they want use to create their parts. Alteration. Before computers, when design changes needed to be made, engineers had to open up the blueprint and in some cases redo the entire things, but have computer and CAD softwares if change need to made. Engineers can open the appropriate files and make them within minutes on the computers. Computers facility the ability to make corrections quickly so engineer can develop their product with easy and speed. Finished design. As pointed out by reference of business, CAM depends on the design from a CAD system, thus it doesn't aid designers much. As if focused on the end stage of given project, it's hard to develop a CAM system without first having a CAD system. Finished design. Quality. Because CAM system work with the same blueprint every time, they can be highly accurate in terms of producing the same quality of the product. However, glitches can and do occurs since the manufacturing process is normally company worker may not discover the flaw unless they have a good quality assurance terms. This is the end of the video. This was submitted by Johnny Beaverin, BIST 1B. Thank you.